So we're in the Samsung booth with Brian of Samsung, and tell us about the new Induction range, Brian.
Yeah, here's our brand new Bespoke AI Induction. This is our 9900 model, which is the top of the line. But I'd like to point out all Induction cooktops that we have for this year has this new anti-scratch cooktop, which is 54% stronger than traditional glass. So giving that customer that peace of mind that, you know, this would last over time and not scratch. Also, we've incorporated to this particular model the 7-inch AI home. So think of it as a mini family hub. Okay. So I'm able to make phone calls from this particular device. I'm able to listen to my Spotify if I'd like. I'm able to even see who's at my front door if I have, let's say, Ring, and be able to communicate with that person. Also, as you can see, there are no handles on this particular model because you're able to open this in 3 different ways. And the very first way is being right here is our auto open door feature. And that's going to pop the door open for you all the way. So again, if you have that turkey, your hands are full, you're able to just put that right inside. Also on each side, there are going to be 2 handles on each side here to give you the ability to manually open it if you like. And the last way to open this is via voice control. So we have Bixby built in. It's a little bit loud in here right now, but typically what you do is say, hey, Bixby, open door, and it'll pop that range open for you.
That's great. Any other great features in terms of the oven? I'm sure it has air fry, right?
Air fry, and I'd like to point out the ambient edge lighting here. What's really, really cool about this ambient edge lighting, it does have 3 different temperature settings. It can be used as mood lighting, or you can interact with it as you cook. So you know exactly where you are in the cooking process just by this visual cue. And then of course, like you mentioned inside, we do have that air fry inside as well, and air sous vide. So if you want that really professional grade steak, you're able to create that right here.
So all the great features and then some from Samsung. Samsung just continues to bring innovative products to market.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Brian, for showing us the new Induction range.
Absolutely.